Wow, look at this. The Loram rail grinder. I cannot get any closer than this, but wow. Some rail. Looks like it's getting fueled up. It's getting fueled up. And there's also some ultra cool passenger cars right there. I wish I could get a closer look at them, but I can't. Because this would be trespassing if I get any closer than this. Using these rocks as like my stay back. But man, isn't this a sight? Wow. See if I can get a little peek at these passenger cars. Wow. That right there is outstanding. Bet it's pretty luxurious in there. So this guy passed by the point camera, and there's the end of it. And there's that. Man, this is a sight.